Welcome. If you want to turn off mirror effect of your front camera in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, for the first you have to open the camera. After that you have to go for the left upper corner and enter the settings with this icon. And we have to scroll down. And here we got the picture as a preview. So after the selfie, they will appear like on the preview without flipping them. So to activate it, we have to tap on the switcher. And right now, after we take the photo, it will be like on the preview. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's switch to the front camera. And right now I'm going to take the photo. Okay, and as you can see, it looks like on the preview. But when we are going to turn off this function, it was in this, oh yeah, here it is. So let's turn it off. And after that, when we're going to take a photo, the photo looks different, right? So that's how you can turn off the mirror effect on your camera in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.